Bikers are not your average creatures. We can pretend to be normal for short periods of time, but ultimately, our lives revolve around motorcycles. And as a result, we sometimes struggle with the most basic life skills and everyday tasks, like shopping, for example. We may come across helpful, always offering to do the grocery shopping, but secretly, we just want to go for a ride. Now, we might be limited to just a few items because of our small backpacks, and we might take 3 hours to buy 6 items, because 20 minutes of shopping to 2 hours and 40 minutes of riding is the appropriate ride-to-shop ratio. But nevertheless, we put our hearts into the job. But there is just one item that you should never ask a biker to buy, and that is bread. It will go into our backpacks looking like a perfectly ordinary loaf of bread. We will place it into the backpack as carefully as possible and ride home only slightly above the speed limit. But somehow it will always come out looking like this. It's kind of like the Bermuda Triangle for nice bread, and that's just your generic loaf. A French loaf is much more excruciating to watch. Then there are your everyday conversations. Again, we try our hardest to be interested in your conversations that don't involve motorbikes. But we have a special skill to fix those boring chats. We can turn any conversation into one about bikes, like this.
So my gran fell off of her mobility scooter the other day. Now she's on a ventilator. I'm so sorry to hear that. What mobility scooter was it exactly? I'm not sure. I think it was a red one though. Was it a Honda? Sounds to me like a Honda. I really don't know. Why does it even matter? Well, I was just going to tell you that I rode a Fireblade once. Nice bike. Of course, I didn't fall off of it and end up on a ventilator, but I guess that's due to its smooth engine. So yeah, we had a great time on our honeymoon in Cape Town. You guys should really try it sometime. I'm pretty sure you would really enjoy it. Oh yeah. Where did you say Cape Town was again exactly? It's in Africa, yeah. Oh, cool. I actually really like the look of the current Africa Twin. I was a bit upset that they moved away from the V Twin, but I guess it's still some sort of a twin, you know? Excuse me, sorry, do you think maybe you could help me? You see, my cat is stuck up this tree. Did you say Thundercat? Now that is a really old Yamaha. How the hell did it get up there? What? No, my cat. You see, right next to that Blackbird. Like a Thundercat could ever keep up with a Honda Blackbird.
But when we can't get the shopping right, or keep a normal conversation going, at least we can take pride in our relationships.
I'm glad we finally get a date to ourselves. It's nice to be just us, you know.
Yeah, there's nothing better than being just us three. She's lucky we invited her in the first place. I'm sorry again about earlier. I'm glad you've agreed to let me take you out tonight to apologize.
Just make sure to wear your best clothes.
Got it.
2 seconds later.
What do you think? What? These are my best clothes. I even tucked my shirt in to be fancy.
You would think we would struggle to concentrate at work since we're hungry and lonely. But the real reason we struggle to concentrate is AutoTrader. I can't work for more than 10 minutes without wondering if my dream bike has been listed for sale. I don't personally see a problem with it, because if smokers get a smoke break, then bikers should get an AutoTrader break. And honestly, I think it helps my productivity, because I have something to work towards.
That's the one.
The only time it is a problem is when we find the most bizarre bike for sale and go down a rabbit hole to see what the engine specs are, if it's a good deal, if it got good reviews, and an hour later we admit we'd never actually want a bike like that anyway.
No, that's not my type of bike anyway.
But anyway, let me know what basic life skill you struggle with, because you're a bike-obsessed individual. Share this video with a mate that does one of these, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next ride.